Hey guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Hope everyone's doing okay on this Friday. Looking forward to a nice weekend. Hopefully you've had some successful trading. If not, you should follow us a little more. So what we're going to do today, we're going to take a look at Dash USD, the Dash coin, altcoin of the Bitcoin. One thing we want to make sure you guys understand is we do 80 to 90% technical analysis. That's what we believe in. But again, we don't throw fundamentals to the side. So we will be giving you our technical analysis, but we do throw in some fundamentals as well, just so you can understand. Now, we're on a 4-hour chart with Dash. Okay, and you can see our standard MetaTrader 4 chart is with a 200-day moving average. Helps us understand what type of market we're in. You can see that from the trend anyways. We're in a bearish trend. Okay, but we do use this because you can see here on this chart that we had a big break up to, well, it closed, let's say, the year at around $41. Opens up the year at 48, goes up to 55, okay? And now we're back down to 48 again, but again, we're above this 200-day moving average. So one or two things, of course, can happen here. As you can see, we're running across a strong support line here. Down here is pretty much the bottom for the past 5 years with this coin. So the first case scenario, what we can expect to happen is, you've heard us mention it before, covering the gap. Okay, there's a gap here. When it opens, it drops down, covers the gap. Now, obviously, you can see a much bigger gap here, much larger, and it's already trying to break this resistance line, or excuse me, the support line. So if it breaks through the support here and it starts to trend down, continuing, then chances are we will see this altcoin Dash back down to $40, $35 even, back here scraping the bottom. Okay, and this is another strong support, but bulls definitely don't want to see it here. This is a big opportunity for the bulls to take advantage and make Dash coin a really popular currency this year, even more popular than what it is now, just because of a strong rally. And that, it leads me to the second option, seeing as how we're already on a strong support. We're above the 200-day moving average. This shows really positive signs that we could be preparing for a potential breakout. Now look on the day chart here. You can still see the gap. It's nearly covered the gap here, which is also a fairly decent sign. Okay. You can also notice that with the stochastic, showed a little overbought up here, drops down into this area. Maybe we lay flat again, 38, 39, but we could see potential for it to show some signs of a bullish upturn. So you just want to be sure that you're following the fundamentals on it as well. Venezuela, South America is using the Dash coin at a very, very high rate. It could be a solution to their inflation problems. So with more transactions occurring with Dash, maybe that will help buyers get into it. I'm sure it will. There's a lot of positive signs for Dash to be one of the breakout coins of the year. So right now where we are is a very good time to be paying attention. If you're looking at getting in on buying Dash, selling Dash, make sure you speak with one of our representatives first, a professional, so we can give you some better insight. We don't suggest your trades for you, but we will give you all the information you need in order to make a better educated decision. So again, what we're looking at here is we may cover the gap. Doesn't always happen, but you can see it covered the gap here. Chances are it could cover the gap down, but we're on a support, could bounce, and we may be headed back up to this $65 to $70 range. All right, because I don't really see much other resistance unless we go here at about 60. Maybe a small amount of resistance there, 60, and then maybe 67. Those are our next two levels. So let's keep an eye on it. I expect good things from Dash. If you guys have any questions, free consultation, Trade Support Group, you already know where we are. And if you have any suggestions for anything or have any questions, comment, like the channel, subscribe, like the video, and we'll get back around to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.